Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English Speaking Beginners. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you speech about Muharram that people celebrate in Islam. So let's get started. Speech about Muharram. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. As we gather here today, we mark the beginning of a sacred mean holy month of Muharram, a month that holds great significance in our Islamic calendar. We remember the sacrifice of our beloved Imam Hussein ibn Ali, who stood for justice and righteousness in the face of oppression. His courage and resilience in the face of adversity continue to inspire us today as we commemorate the tragedy of Karbala. Let us reflect on our own lives. Let us strive to emulate the values of Imam Hussein. Values of courage, compassion, and selflessness. Let us remember the importance of unity and brotherhood. Let us put aside our differences and come together as one ummah. It means come together as one ummah, just as the companions of Imam Hussein stood by him in his time of need. As we pass in Moran, during this month, let us not forget the lessons of Muharram. Let us strive to be better Muslims, better humans, and make a positive impact on our communities. May Allah bless us with the wisdom and guidance to follow in the footsteps of our beloved Imam Hussein. May we be able to emulate his courage and sacrifice in our own lives. In our own lives. Jazakallah khair. See you in next video.